Welcome to the GRC Library demo. Today, we're performing a SOC 2CC1 compliance gap analysis using Claude Desktop and the GRC Library AI Compliance Analyzer. First, I'll have Claude draft the CC1 requirements from scratch. Then, we'll use the GRC Library AI to perform a compliance check against our existing MyControls library to pinpoint any gaps. This entire process is controlled and executed through Claude Desktop. Let's get started. This slide shows an example AI prompt instructing the AI to create a compliance assessment record and the associated controls for checking against our MyControls library. Next, we'll enter this AI prompt into Claude Desktop and click the button to start. Claude Desktop will ask for your permission to access the MCP tools for this action. Once authorized, you can see Claude working directly with the GRC Library MCP tools to create the compliance assessment and generate the specific assessment controls. Finally, it will automatically submit them for the compliance analysis.
A few moments later.
After waiting a few moments, you can ask the AI to check if the compliance assessment is complete. If it is, the AI will provide the results and details, including a gap analysis, and suggest whether to create a new control or merge it with an existing one. Let's move over to the GRC Library web application. From here, we can navigate to My Compliance to view the assessment records and details. You can click Download to save the report in PDF, Word, or Excel format. This provides the flexibility needed for further processing with the risk and compliance team or for audit preparation. Let's move back to Claude Desktop. We can now ask the AI to use the assessment findings to update the controls in the MyControl library and then reassess the compliance. Thank you for watching this GRC Library video demo. We've shown how you can leverage Claude AI alongside the GRC Library AI tool to streamline compliance analysis and support risk and compliance professionals in their daily activities. GRC Library provides an extensive range of reference control sets. By using these alongside your own control lists, you can identify gaps more easily using our advanced AI technology. We hope this demonstration helps you optimize your compliance workflows. If you have any questions or would like to learn more, please visit our website or reach out to our support team. Thanks again for watching.